Morning, guys. Hope you're well. So, for this second recipe is simply making avocado on toast, and I don't know if you guys already know this particular recipe is very popular, and there are too many healthy benefits or health benefits to this. As avocado contains a lot of nutrients that are good for us and helps in also digesting our food and aids in weight loss and all that good stuff. So what I did was to make the first time I had it, they call it there's a name that was given to it, but simply to take out the avocado itself from the skin. Um, Someone said this is it hedgehog. I've forgotten the name that they gave it. Um, So that way I call it was just easier way to do it, but you can take it out anyhow you want. And then following that, I just try to mash it up. One thing I really advise that you use is ripe avocado. This one is ripe, but it's not as soft, so it makes it a little bit challenging to mash up. So I just used a knife and fork to make it easier to mash. You can mash it to the degree you want, the smoothness you want. But for me, I kind of left it like this because I still like to see the chunks a little bit. And then because I already toasted my bread, which I thought I was fuming when I was doing all this part, but I realized I didn't fume it. So pardon me on that. So what you simply did was exactly what I just doing now. Is just take the avocado and place it on the toast after buttering your toasted bread. And you can see I was not stingy to myself at all. And then once again, slice cucumber, place it on it, and then you have had your avocado on toast sandwich with cucumber. So uh, this again is very healthy, yummy, delicious. I mean, I can't rate it enough. These two recipes are actually good for both breakfast as well as lunch. Okay. Um, and I choose to toast the bread out of choice, but both the bagel and the bread doesn't need to be toasted. And using brown or seeded bread is more healthier than just the white one. So that's it. I've kind of munched most of some of it already, just showing you. I hope you enjoyed this. So if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and stay tuned for more videos like this.